Alright, so I did my research on how to take the engine out. It should be pretty easy from the videos. Like they say you can do it in 10 minutes, so we'll see. My God, fuck. Pardon my language. So yeah, here's the engine. It's out. It's where it used to be. Here and stuff. Oh my days. Now what we gotta do is assess the damage of the holy crap. Assess the damage of the engine, like the combustion chamber and stuff. But from what we have done, I don't think it's gonna be in great condition. Oh my God, that was a struggle. Let me sit down. Alright, so I've been doing my research on videos and the books provided by our glorious king, Bob Rich, who donated the car. And the videos, and in the videos and in the books, they are saying if you want to get to the cylinder heads, I'm pretty sure you have to strip the whole engine down. Like get rid of the fan housing, the alternator. You gotta get all of this stuff so you can just get a bare engine. So I think I'm just gonna start slowly taking this engine apart. That's the plan. So here. Yep.